Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not sending messages. If you're having trouble sending messages on Facebook Marketplace, you're in the right place. Let's go step by step to fix this issue. First, open your Facebook app. Now, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you see Help and Support. Click on that. Next, select Report a Problem. You'll need to report this issue to Facebook so they can help fix it. When the next screen appears, click Include in Report. If your phone requires it, shaking the phone might also bring up the reporting screen. Scroll down and find Marketplace. Select it. In the report, you'll need to write something simple like, "I am not able to message people on Facebook Marketplace. I need this to be fixed." Once you've written that, click Send in the top right corner. After you send the report, it may take Facebook 1 to 2 business days to address the issue. Once they respond, go back into your Facebook app and try sending Marketplace messages again. Hopefully, this should solve the problem. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.